Okay, so when your kids are on your homepage and they click on previous plans, it will bring them to the module called Weekly Plans that will show everything you've done this school year, which it can be very long and have everything listed so far, and it isn't the most organized. Okay, I'm going to show you a way to organize it so it's more effective and visually appealing if you're somebody who wants a little more organization to it. So I am going to hit the plus sign right here, and on this drop down menu I'm going to hit text header, and I'm going to call the first header semester 1. And I'm not going to indent that one. I'm going to add the item, and it will go to the bottom where I am going to drag it up. I'm going to put it right at the very top. Okay, and then I'm going to add another text header that says quarter 1, and I'm going to indent it. And again, it's going to go to the bottom. So I'm going to move it up. Okay, I'm going to indent it so it goes in further, and then I'm going to make sure I publish these so it shows up this way for the kids. Okay, so now we have semester 1, quarter 1, and then I am going to indent these under each quarter. And this is something you can do as you go, so you don't have to do it all at the very end like I'm doing. I'm just going back and cleaning it up. But as you make pages, you can have them underneath the quarters now, and then also indent as you wish. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, and I already had organized quarter 2s, and now I have my semester 2, quarter 1. Okay. And again, like if I copy this page and I'm about to rename it for the next week, I can go ahead and increase, indent, however you want to organize it that may look a little more appealing for your students so they can access your plans. So now if I go to my course, my home page, and I'm going to previous plans, it's a little bit better than seeing weeks and weeks of plans. So that's just a little tidbit that helps you organize your course and your weekly plans. And again, you can indent or do as whatever makes sense to you and fits your needs. I hope that helps.